Welcome to my channel. I am Joyce Marcellus. I am owner of Toxic Sweet Shop, and today is National Creamcicle Day, and I decided to make one out of Rice Krispie treats. I started with 3 pre-made Rice Krispie treats, shaped them, I rolled them with a rolling pin to get them kind of much more smoother, and then I used a ball tool to create the indentations before applying the fondant. You're going to apply 2 layers of fondant. You could use like a different color of fondant or an older fondant that you have, but I went with the white because I did want to show the little. Once you apply your final layer of fondant, you're going to indentate with the ball tool. And if you get any little air bubbles, use your scribble to pop them right out. And then you're going to cut the bottom piece of the fondant that shows the little white part of the creamsicle once you are ready to go. Once you cut off your white piece and it looks nice and ready to go, you're going to insert your wooden popsicle sticks. You can get these at any local craft store. And today I decided to use Sugar Prism colors. I mixed their yellow and their orange to directly paint the actual fondant. I thought it'd be something new and creative. I've never used Sugar Prism's colors before. So make sure you subscribe and hit that like button. Thank you for joining in and enjoy a creamsicle today. Happy National Creamsicle Day.